left foot. We're going to reach it up, engaging your core, squeezing the shoulder blades, trying to keep a nice long spine here. Inhaling. And exhaling to cross left foot in front of the right. We're folding over. The next inhale, lift your gaze, uncurl your spine vertebrae by vertebrae. Right hand comes behind you. We're coming back to our side plank. Inhaling here, reaching that left hand up. We exhale, bring both hands down to the mat, plank pose. We're facing the back of the mat, working through your chaturanga, or knees, chest, chin to upward facing dog or cobra. We send the hips all the way back, downward facing dog. The next inhale, we're going to reach the left leg all the way up. Inhale, as you exhale, big step forward, left foot comes in between the two hands. We're reaching all the way up, high lunge, facing the back of the mat. Inhaling here. As you exhale, drop onto the right knee, either bringing the hands down to the mat or sweeping them behind us as we come to our half splits. Inhaling. As we exhale, slowly rocking it back forwards, reaching the hands all the way up, Anjaneyasana. Back toes stay tucked as we come all the way back up, high lunge. Inhale here. Exhale, warrior two, we're facing the back of the mat. Inhale in your warrior two. Exhale, peaceful warrior. Take a big inhale in your peaceful warrior. As you exhale, we're reaching the hands forwards, turning the toes, coming to this side lunge as we reach towards the front of the mat. Inhale, and then we move, and we exhale, coming all the way back to peaceful warrior. Inhale. And exhale once again, reaching towards the front of the mat, maybe going a little lower this time and dropping into your Skandasana. Inhale. On the exhale, we press all the way back, peaceful warrior. Inhale. And exhale once again, Skandasana towards the front of the mat. We're now going to press the left hand on the mat. We come all the way up to our easy twist. Inhale here. As we exhale, both hands come to frame the front foot. We're stepping the right foot all the way back, three-legged dog. And exhale, big step forward. Right foot comes in between the two hands. We're coming back to our high lunge. Inhaling here. As you exhale, hands come down through heart center, pressing into the right foot. We're coming to our one-legged Tadasana. Left knee comes towards our center. And as we exhale, cross